Today I will talk about multiply by two negative numbers. Now, we have this question. 72 hours. He works 72 hours. Now, but he collects $16 per hour. How does he have got many dollars? Now, we'll think. Like this, we'll think it in the normal way. Normal. This is normal. Easy, go. That's easy because it's in the way we know that it is the multiply easy. That we multiply this is 12. Like the introduction I have talked about you. 12 we write 2, remember 1. That you know that this is 42. 12 here is 43. Remember, any number can fit in the first, but remember, first, not the last. This is 2, right? 2. This is 7. Now, we add 0 because that is space. This 5, this 11, answer 11:55. We can do it in the that computer told us too longer but easy. Wait, here. Now we swipe it into that. Now we multiply to 16. Now that's easier. Now we will show in association in the easier way to regroup that. We take this, multiply to this because it has this. Whoop. And 16. Then this is plus 2 plus to 16. That you can see. That. Now, we will multiply each other to easy the way. We can do another way to easier. That we change the multiplier to the easier way. We change the way in the group that. Now, this is 140. This, you can see, prove this is completely each other. We think in another way. We think it in a novel way that this is adventure. What this is in Z. In Z. It is hard that you can see. This 16, this is easy. Look at this. 36, 6, remember 3. This is 6, remember 3 is 9. This is 6, this is 1. Yes, 0, 6 and 0 is 6. This is 15, 5. Remember 1 is 2, 2 plus 0 to 50. That's the number you think you subtract it with that number in association. That number you think. That you can see. That the exact number you have to think this. That in that way, this 0, this is 42. This is 0. This is 7. Think another way that shows you the number in the normal and the exact is completely equals because the number is changing exact that the much exact now. Round the number. Wait. like 72. But wait, I talk about you one more time. This can be round to 20. Multiply 1,400. That way you can answer 1,400. That's the number you think is 1,400. This is the number that you think. But can we change that? Absolutely correct. We change into 7 multiplies to 10 multiplies to 2 multiplies to 10. We will change the subtraction into this 7 multiplies to 2. Then we will multiply to 10. We multiply to 10. This 10 is 100. Then this is 14. 100 is 140. That's the correct number. Now we will think that this is the wrong way. That the number you think this is the easiest way, but it's hard to think. Multiply to 16. That the number this correct, this way incorrect. You can see the equals numbers like 2 this way and this way. You think round numbers incorrect. If you multiply 2 digits numbers, don't multiply that because it will incorrect. That you need to do like this. You need to do like we will multiply 2 of this and we plus. But this we multiply it. Don't matter what it is. That is the incorrect number. That is the end of the lesson. Thanks for listening to me. Goodbye.